Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted another Starline i96 on this 2019 Audi A5. How the system works is someone was to clone this key, jump in and try and start it. This is what would happen. Let's go start the vehicle. Vehicle would start and cut out. There you go. Vehicle will start and now it'll overcrank. See, now it won't start. So every time you jump in the vehicle, what you do is main ignition on, without putting your foot on the brake, go through a push sequence. On here we've done something very basic, so 1, 2, 3, receive the melody, there you go, start your vehicle. There you go, very clever, very straightforward. Obviously if you go in and jump, try and start it or try and block, that's why we're getting all the error codes, because it's blocking. Also, if you wanted to put it into valet mode when you took it for a service, this is the way you would put it into valet mode. So assuming it's armed now, so ignition on, insert your push sequence, 1, 2, 3, get your melody, and then hit this button 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Cycle the ignition off and back on. You've got 2 bleeps. That means now it's in valet mode. So obviously you don't need to put a code in. Get it serviced, get it washed. When you get the vehicle back, really simple, ignition on and just insert your code. So 1, 2, 3, you'll get a double bleep. There you go, start your vehicle. And then obviously when you then turn it off, 30 seconds thereafter, the vehicle will be protected. Also, if you wanted to change the code, the way you would change the code is first of all disarm the system. So there you go, we didn't leave it long enough, so we disarmed it. Then hit one of the buttons on the network 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ignition off, ignition on, 5 bleeps. And now we're going to do a learn sequence. So we're going to do the bottom one this time. So 1, 2, 3. I think we heard the bleep then. You'll hear a bleep if it's on the network. We're getting melody now. Repeat the new code again. If it's the same as the first one, it'll give us the same melody. If not, it'll give us a grunt. There you go, new code has now been learnt. So if I leave it about 10 seconds, the system will passively arm itself and we'll go through the new push sequence. So I think that might be 10 seconds now. So ignition on, new push sequence, 1, 2, 3, receive our melody. There you go, start our vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, you can pair it up to a tag or a smartphone, but I can refer to that in our other videos. Hope you found this quick video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you, bye-bye.